My dad just called me and said he was trying to move a trailer and he stuck up against a tree, didn't he? He said
he said it.
He was trying to tow his truck and his truck slid on the ice up against a tree, so we're gonna go see him. Oh, Sean's here too. He's up against a tree. Look at him. Oh crap! I love it. Look, he's up against a tree. He really is.
Some fool wants me to dump garbage in the dumpster instead of paying $500 to change them out.
Well, we're not going to get into who the fool is. Did you damage the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah, the exhaust pipe. Yeah, but that's your fault, not mine.
I'm the fool that's had to listen to you.
Are you going to tow him out?
You're gonna.
I'm not going to tow him out.
Sean,
Let's go.
The truck's in your name, though, right?
No.
Hell no. Leave it there till May, I don't care.
What'd you say?
The village idiot.
You said it yourself. No
me.
houses are getting worked on.
Well, we got 3 guys here.
Productive too. I was laying forward.
I'm going to take it right over to a guy I know.
It's gonna drag the whole way.
Oh, the side's all dented too.
Yeah, I think he's over there.
Oh, that's not. Not only is the truck broken, and now you've decided to just call it a day and not even work and drink beer.
I'm charging you by the hour.